hard to imagine what would happen if candies were people. Whoops! Dive into the world of candy and imagine that you're candy too. Learn what the world would be like if candies were people. Throwing Mentos into a bottle of Coke is a very interesting idea. I'll try it. I already have a bottle of Coke. Cut a strip out of red felt. Hot glue it to the corrugated edges of a broken baking mold. Add a felt top. Make a Coca-Cola logo out of white felt and attach it. Fasten a hair clip to the back. I'm Coca-Cola, the fizziest drink. I'm ready to become a fountain. And here's Mentos. The experiment is starting. Whoa, this is fun. Are milk and Coke the last food left in this house? Oh, I can't even look at Coke anymore. Do we have something to eat? Oh, cookies! They are chocolate. Cut a circle out of cardboard. Wrap it in black fabric. Attach an Oreo pattern made out of glittery foam paper. Make another cookie half. Add felt strips. Fasten Velcro to the ends of the straps. Glue white filling to the other cookie half. Ah, the filling! I love it! Oh no! An unknown power divided us! And joined us again! What will happen next? And it tastes so good with milk! Too much milk! Mmm! I love M&Ms! A full pack! I'm so happy! I wonder what color I'll get first! We're open! We are finally going to see a brand new world! Take me! Me! No, take me! I'm the prettiest! I'm so excited! What is life in the real world like? Let's see! Candy, come here! It's green! Lucky you! He is the luckiest of all of us! Mmm, it's yummy and crunchy! What? Oh no! Anything but this! I can't look! Well, which one will be next? Oh, yellow! Delicious! I agree. Intellectual work is very tiring. You always crave something sweet. I think I had a chocolate bar. Yeah, here it is. Snickers! Hey, I'm on Mars! Get me out of here! Anybody? I'm Cotton Candy, very sweet and very sugary. Today will be a great day for me.
Wow!
Wrap up a piece of foam rubber. Use hot glue to connect the edges. Bend the top. Wrap the base in white polyester stuffing. Wrap a layer of pink felting wool on top. Shape a cotton candy. Cotton candy!
Wow!
My precious! I'm so glad to see you! Mmm! You are so pink and light! Oh! I finished you so fast! That was yummy! My beautiful hair! You have to help me! Do my hair again right now! I can't stand it anymore! Don't worry, it's coming! Boom! There you go! Whoa! This is amazing! Thanks a lot! If Dr. Pepper was a real doctor, she would be a very pretty one. I'll call you back. What's wrong? Doctor, it's unbearable! I'm all hot and cold and dizzy. I feel terrible. I see. Let's measure your blood pressure. We'll help you. I have a tried and tested remedy. Attach a cardboard detail to a cardboard tube. Glue 2 thin cardboard strips to both sides of a wide cardboard strip. Fasten the piece to a round base to shape a syringe plunger. Coat all the pieces with red spray paint. Put the plunger in the syringe. Shape the top of the syringe using a straw and cardboard. Fasten with Velcro. Add a Dr. Pepper sticker. Let's add the main ingredient. You'll get a shot right now. Just don't worry, it works like a charm. Oh, it really helped me. Dr. Pepper, this is a miracle. But the solution ended up being way simpler. Andy just drank a can of sparkling water. Yo, Candy, this is an awesome party. Yeah, hi everyone. You forgot to invite me, but I still came. Let's have fun. Ew, Licorice showed up. Why is she here? That smells terrible. Cut the broken visor off a cap. Sew Licorice to the cap in rows. Trim the excess. And you get a Licorice wig. Look out! The security guard is coming! I'm sure someone was making noise here. And why is there candy all over the floor? A candy robber must have been here. What should I get? My favorite gum. I'll take it. I have enough. Well, why is it taking so long? Where's my gum? Ha! You wish. He is so gullible. I'm not leaving. I feel great here. It looks like the vending machine is broken. What if I hit it? Nice! It worked! What a hot day! I don't feel like candy at all. Maybe just one gummy candy. Here comes fall. I'll have a little gum. What's that on the top shelf? It's me! I'm here! Pick me! Me! Nah, those are candy canes. Maybe next time. Oh man, no luck again! I'm the saddest candy in the world! Why is life so unfair? Christmas is right around the corner! A selfie with a snowman is a great idea! A Christmas branch! It'll be perfect for decorating the shelf! Oh, candy canes! Yay! I finally got picked! This song is so summery! Fruit-flavored Hubba Bubba is the only thing I need for a full summer vibe! Oh yeah, I'm so perfect! Miss Hubba Bubba 2020! I'm so pink, soft, and flexible! Mmm, the amazing taste of summer! I love this gum so much, and blowing bubbles is so satisfying! But nothing lasts forever! Why? I don't belong in here! Comment below what you like the most in this video. Beautiful cotton candy, Oreo, fizzy Coke, or fun licorice. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious videos from Troom.